You Are Brilliant is a Gateway Workshops online course designed for children between the ages of 6 and 11 years old. In association with the Mind Gig, this course has been created to help children better manage their thoughts and emotions, teaching them everything they need to be resilient in the face of life's challenges, focusing on teaching them skills that will last a lifetime. Getting to grips with our emotions is a challenge we all face, but it's especially hard for children. This course aids in your child's journey to finding out who they really are, what makes them happy, knowing how to handle their emotions, and encouraging a growth mindset. It's an incredible asset created by professionals in the field to help not only children, but parents and guardians navigate the journey that is childhood. Through interactive and engaging tasks, video lessons, and proven science-backed strategies, the lessons will help answer questions such as, who am I? How do I feel about myself? Why am I brilliant? My emotions and me, mindset for success, and more. Complete the course at your own pace, within the course timeline, with your own personal area on our professional, easy-to-use learning platform, and your own tutor to guide you every step of the way. Upon completion, your child will receive a certificate to showcase their hard work and accomplishment, and you can rest easy in the knowledge that your child has learnt resilience, self-worth, and the mind management skills that will help them be happier for the rest of their lives. Join the thousands of students who are trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. Start the You Are Brilliant course today and take positive, constructive steps towards ensuring your child's happiness. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.